Hello everyone, welcome back to another video here on the Onyx Automotive YouTube channel. Today we have a car that we've actually never ever applied PPF to. We have a Rolls Royce Cullinan in here today. This car is having full XPEL paint protection film applied across the entire vehicle, including a load of bits on the interior, which we'll show you right now. So there you guys have it, the Rolls Royce Cullinan is now fully protected. All the body panels on the outside are now going to be protected from stone chips and scratches. And if it does get a stone chip or a scratch, apply a bit of heat and let the self-healing do its thing. But if we take a look at the interior now, we've installed PPF on both of these parts, on the door cards, vice versa on the other side and the front, and you cannot tell that it's been PPF'd. Same with the center console and the rear climate control and above the glove box. You cannot tell these areas have been PPF. And now if people are going to mess around with the climate control or the windows or the buttons in the center console, these areas are now paint protected from fingernail scratches. And if it does get scratched, once again, apply the heat and it will do its self-healing. That is pretty much it, guys. If you enjoy these PPF videos, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you go check out some of our other videos on the channel because we post PPF content all the time, as well as detailing and body repair. So make sure you stay tuned for future videos and I'll see you guys in the next one.